What if your analytic was cookie-free, privacy-safe, and actually easy to read? Hello everyone, welcome to Saas Deal Zone new review video. In this video, we are going to talk about a new lifetime deal which is Publytics. Publytics is a privacy-friendly web analytic tool built mainly for web publisher and content site. It helps you to see accurate real-time and historical traffic data without using cookies and without breaking any privacy rules. It is a simple, clear alternative to the Google Analytics that focuses on what publisher really need. Before starting the Publytics lifetime deal review, let's talk about Publytics pricing plan. If you go to the Appsumo marketplace, you can see this tool is offering lifetime deal for limited time. So as you can see, you can grab this tool for lifetime only paying $59. So as you can see, they have a 6-tier pricing plan. So if you have some 1 to 5 website, then you can grab their tier 1 pricing plan. And if you have a more website, like if you have an agency, you can manage multiple website for yourself or your client, then you can grab their full stack plan, which is tier 6. So if you want to grab this tool, don't forget to check out my video description box. You can get this link. And so let's explore its key feature and how you can use this tool for your website, right? So as you can see, this is the Publytics dashboard. I just add my 2 or 3 website for 2 weeks, and as you can see, they grab the data for my website users, sessions, page view, bounce rate, and session duration. So this is quite impressive. So how to add any website in Publytics? So you have to click the menu options, and you can see they have a manage website sections. If you select here, then you can see all your website are listed here. So you can you have to click the add site options, and you can let's say you can add any type of site, like this one kind of site. So if you have to select the time zone, so you are select your desired time zone and your targeted area and create the dashboard. So this is very quick and simple. They give you a script. You have to input this script on your website sections. Like you have to copy this code from here, and you have to input this code on your header, website header, right? Just insert the script in the header section of your website, and you will start seeing the visitor in the real time and on your dashboard. So as you can see, this is the Publytics dashboard. On the left side, you can see there are many options available here to monitor and check your website data and sessions. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. When you log into Publytics, and you can see a clean and simple dashboard. It is not crowded with buttons and numbers like Google Analytics. Instead, you see exactly what matters, how many people visited your site. As you can see, 74 in last 2 weeks, and how many people visited your site today, where they came from, and which page they read. And as you can see, the dashboard loads very fast, and as you can see, this is the page views, this is the bounce rate and session duration. So there are no spinning loading circle, and you can check in, see your number, and move on. And as you can see, publisher told us this is saved them time and every single day. So you can check entire data from one single dashboard. As you can see, this is the top pages of your from your website, and this is the device, this is the referral source, and this is the country level background. You can also check the region level breakdown here. You can also check the city level breakdown here. This is amazing, I think. So you can also check the browser history from here. Like, so now let's talk about real-time data. So here is all about Publytics. If you have any question regarding this lifetime deal, don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Facebook group to get the latest Saas Ltd lifetime deal reviews and giveaway. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in